In a significant move towards deepening diplomatic and economic relations, Pakistan and the United Arab Emirates have signed multiple agreements aimed at bolstering cooperation across various sectors. These agreements, signed during a high-level meeting between officials of both nations, mark a new chapter in their long-standing partnership. From investment and trade to energy, infrastructure, and climate change, the deals are set to bring mutual growth and prosperity. The UAE, already one of Pakistan's largest trading partners in the Gulf region, has pledged to increase investments and offer support in key development projects. Leaders from both sides praised the agreements, emphasizing shared goals of regional stability, economic collaboration, and technological advancement. As both countries continue to navigate global challenges, this partnership stands as a testament to their strategic alliance and shared vision for a brighter future.